Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. We have a garage door cable that came off of its drum. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy fix for that. You can see that this side is a good deal lower than the other side. Get that level. Yeah, it's about 3/4 inch lower, and that's causing it to not lift correctly. And obviously the problem is that this cable is off. So the first thing we need to do is get the door back up, get it level, and lock it in place. Hopefully this isn't too difficult. We don't have a garage door opener on this. This door is on a wood shop, so we have a chain hoist on this. And because that cable is not hooked up, it's going to have a real hard time lifting this big heavy door. So I'll probably have to lift a little bit, go to the other side, push that up, lift, and so on and so forth. Once you have the door open like this, you should hold it open with a vice grips or a clamp. What you do is just clamp it onto the track there so it can't move. In this case, I don't need that, but I'm going to do it anyways to show you how it's done. Then we'll get that cable back on the spool. All right, I gathered together some clamps. This is a wood clamp, a quick grip, and an extended reach vice grips. I can't find my regular vice grips, but that would work as well. What we need is anything that you can clamp onto the rail like that to stop the door from moving downwards. I'm going to use this one. Bada bing, bada boom. The door is not going anywhere. And you can see the cable all over the place. First thing to do is take off this loop. Can be a little hard. It's big enough to come right off of there, but it's pretty stiff wire. I'm going to need 2 hands for this. Now, we need to unwind this, and I'm trying not to scratch the door. I got a nice black door. I accidentally took the whole thing off, which is easy to do, but not a problem. It has this end on here that just has to go back into a slot. Hopefully you can see this, but there's just a slot right there. And then start looping the cable around. And unfortunately, we have 10 feet of cable here, so that's going to take a little while, but still, it's easy to do. But you have to make sure that you do it right and don't miss any of the tracks. Now, just got to get this loop back on here, which is easier said than done, but not too hard. Again, it's just stiff wire. There we go. Now, take the clamp off. Bada bing, bada boom. All done. Nice and tight. I also made a video on installing a chain hoist garage door lift if you want to see that. And I'll be making a video on installing stops in a couple of days. These push springs or stops get mounted on the rail up there and they stop the door from going too far. Unfortunately, our installers didn't have these in stock. They didn't have a bunch of stuff in stock because of supply chain issues. They didn't have the chain hoist parts in stock either. So I put all that in, and I'll put these in as well in another video. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you share the video and or give it a like, it helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.